Hey everyone, this is Filler 5 for the dropship ammo from Mr. John Yancey Harrington, 10 at 230. Top spot gets a spot on the main. Copy our list. Go live. 602. Paste our list. Roll our dice and hit a 4 or higher. 602. We got a 10. 602, 10 times. 10 items on the list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 items on the list. Miss Theo on top. Mr. Dwayne on the bottom. Randomized 9 times. Dice called for a 10. 602, final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 3, Mr. Dwayne Grantham. 10 items, 10 times, 10 on the dice. Congrats, Mr. Dwayne. We are done. 603. Thanks, everyone.